Hi guys! Today we'll show you how to translate a web page in Chrome. First, unlock your phone and open the Chrome app. Once Chrome is open, we can use the search bar to find the web page that we want to translate. Now tap on the search bar and search for any website. For example, I searched for Zara Man, and different websites and Instagram handles will appear on the screen. Once you have the web page you want to translate, look at the bottom right side and tap on the three dots. This will open the available options for the page. After tapping the three dots, scroll down through the options. Look for the Translate option and tap on it. Once you tap on Translate, the web page will be translated into the selected language. This way, you can easily translate a web page in Chrome. And that's how you can translate a web page in Chrome. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Solution Lab and comment if you want more Chrome tutorials.